Hello everyone. This video is the first in a series of 5 tutorials aiming to introduce the use of the Analytics and Intelligence solution. Here we will see how to use a dashboard. Once you have authenticated, click on Dashboard's View List or click on the View menu button, then Dashboards. Select the dashboard you want to browse from the list. For this tutorial, we will use the Segregation of Duties Violation Dashboard. Evidian dashboards allow you to insert two types of content: ADOC views, represented as charts, as well as reports. It is possible to display the graphics in full screen and to isolate a domain by selecting all the others. For more details, click on a part of the graph that you want to access to display the associated report. This is an example of a separation of duties violation for a user in the Evidian pre-sales organization in January 2020. Various key information is indicated, ranging from the name of the user concerned to the dates and the rights in conflict with the separation of tasks. You can also filter your charts by date by selecting the desired time interval. Regarding ADOC views, it is also possible to modify the graphic charter to your liking. Reports can also be added to your dashboard. Here, we have a list of users with separation of duties violations, including the name of the users associated with the number of violations of separation of tasks concerned. The other type of report available on this dashboard is violations of the separation of duty rules. It displays two types of power separation rule, indicating two levels of risks: prohibition and warning. The warning level authorizes the accumulation of rights or subjects the accumulation of rights to an additional approval. When an end date for the accumulation of rights has not been defined, the risk is major. Once you are done with your dashboard, you can individually export your charts and reports in many formats. You can also export your entire dashboard in different formats. Thank you for watching. If the content caught your attention, do not hesitate to like the video and watch the second tutorial that follows. I wish you a great day and see you soon for another video.